Hi, I'm Nara Ayomi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, a topic that's brimming with advice, tips, and unfortunately, a lot of misinformation. If you're ready to uncover the truth and get your skincare routine on the right track, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. The skincare industry is booming, with countless products and routines promising flawless, glowing skin. However, not everything you hear or read is true. In this video, we'll separate fact from fiction and debunk some of the most common skincare myths. Natural ingredients are always better for your skin. While natural ingredients can be beneficial, not all of them are suitable for every skin type. Some natural ingredients, like essential oils, can cause irritation or allergic reactions. It's important to understand your skin's needs and choose products that are tested and proven to be safe and effective, regardless of whether they're natural or synthetic. You should exfoliate your skin every day. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, but doing it too often can harm your skin. Overexfoliation can lead to irritation, redness, and even damage to the skin barrier. It's generally recommended to exfoliate 1-3 times a week, depending on your skin type and the product you're using. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizers. All skin types need hydration, including oily skin. Skipping moisturizer can actually cause your skin to produce more oil to compensate for the dryness. Opt for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores, but will keep your skin hydrated. Expensive products are more effective. Price doesn't always equate to quality. Many affordable skincare products are just as effective as their high-end counterparts. What matters most are the ingredients and how well they work for your specific skin concerns. Always check the ingredients list and look for products that are backed by scientific research. Sunscreen is only necessary on sunny days. Sunscreen is essential every day, regardless of the weather. UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, causing skin damage even on cloudy days or when you're indoors. Using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily is crucial for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Drinking more water will hydrate your skin. While staying hydrated is important for overall health, simply drinking water won't directly hydrate your skin. Your skin's moisture levels are more effectively managed by using topical products like moisturizers and hydrating serums that help retain moisture in the skin. You don't need to use skincare products in your 20s. It's never too early to start taking care of your skin. Establishing a good skincare routine in your 20s can help prevent future issues like premature aging and sun damage. Focus on the basics: cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen daily. Popping pimples will make them go away faster. Popping pimples can cause more harm than good. It can lead to scarring, infection, and inflammation. Instead, use treatments containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to reduce pimples safely and effectively. Skin can get used to products, making them ineffective. Your skin doesn't build a tolerance to skincare products. If a product stops working, it might be due to changes in your skin or external factors. It's also possible that your skin needs a different type of product or ingredient as it evolves. All anti-aging products are created equal. Not all anti-aging products are the same. Ingredients like retinoids, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants have been scientifically proven to reduce signs of aging. Be sure to choose products that contain these active ingredients and are suitable for your skin type. You only need sunscreen at the beach. Sunscreen should be part of your daily skincare routine, regardless of your plans. UV radiation can cause skin damage even when you're driving, walking outside, or sitting near windows. Daily sunscreen application helps protect your skin from premature aging and skin cancer. D. Why skincare is always safe. D. Why skincare can be risky. Ingredients found in your kitchen, like lemon juice or baking soda, can disrupt your skin's pH balance and cause irritation or damage. It's best to stick with products formulated by professionals who understand skin science. Thank you for joining me as we debunked these common skincare myths. Remember, effective skincare is about finding what works best for you and relying on science-based information. If you found this discussion helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon for notifications because we have more insightful content coming your way. See you in the next video.